The importance of search engines for affiliates. Search engines play a very important and central role in the field of affiliate marketing. These are considered to be your ultimate weapons. Search engines are responsible for the introduction of your website to hundreds and thousands of people. Most of the traffic that is hitting your website mainly comes from the search engines. Popular search engines are Google, Yahoo, etc. When a person searches for any information, the search engine goes through all the indexed pages and presents the searcher with all the websites that match the written phrase. The pages that have high ranking come first. It is very obvious that visitor will click on the website that is coming at the top. It is very rare that someone will browse 5 or 10 pages of results and then visit the website listed there. So in order to maximize your web traffic, your website must have a high ranking in the search engines. It is also noticed that most of the visitors searched the top 7 to 8 search engines. The most important search engine is Google. Your website will be introduced to lots of users by these search engines. A search engine is a really big source to attract people and make a bring in traffic to your website. So in affiliate marketing, you must learn how a search engine works. Keywords importance. Keywords have a great importance to carry traffic to your website. As we know, the majority of the users search their topics through various search engines using the keywords. Select the keywords for your website. Always try to select the keywords that have less competition and are hot. After selecting the keywords for your web page, try to get the higher page rank. If someone searches for your keywords on the search engines, then your website should come in on the first page to get the maximum benefit. How people come to your website. Researchers have proved that if a consumer wishes to search a website to get any kind of information or to purchase any product or service, he searches websites through either of the ways which are given below. First method is the use of search engines. The most well-known and used search engines are Google, Yahoo, and MSN. Someone can find the link of your website in an article, forum, or another website. By hitting that link, he may visit your website. Some others may find the link of your website in their email. There are many possible sources from which someone can find the link of your website. It is, however, observed that 90% of your website visitors are coming from the search engines. Only 10% traffic is generated by other sources like emails, forums, and various miscellaneous websites. This means that you should concentrate on your page rank in the search engines to receive the high traffic. How search engine works. Every search engine uses an algorithm to calculate the page rank of a website. No one knows the exact algorithm. But it is a known fact that the websites that have high website content related to their keywords are ranked higher. Another important factor is the traffic coming from other high-ranking websites. For example, if you have joined a forum which has high page rank, you should post your text there and at the end you can paste your website link. Now, whenever someone from that website clicks on your website, it will make your page rank higher. Another factor is how many websites have your website's link on their page. If such a website is greater in number and are highly ranked websites, then your ranking will also be increased. You can use the link exchange and banner exchange techniques to take this benefit. Conclusion. About 90% of your web traffic is coming from the major search engines. So if you want to get more traffic and more sales in affiliate marketing, then you should use different methods to increase your page rank in major search engines like Google, MSN, and Yahoo.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.